Phase 3. Adding an employee, other details, and management. Welcome to the final part of adding an employee. Let's explore the Other Details section where you configure additional settings and permissions. Scroll down past the Account Details section to find Other Details. First up, Login Allowed. This is a simple yes or no choice. Select Yes if this employee should be able to log into ResourceBee and access the system. Select No if they're a contractor or external party who shouldn't have system access. Yes is already selected by default. Next to that, receive email notifications, again, yes or no. Select Yes if this employee should get email alerts about tasks or system updates. Select No if you want to keep their inbox quiet. Yes is the default here too. Hourly rate is where you enter this employee's rate, if they're paid by the hour. Type in the amount with the $sign, like 25 or 50. This integrates with timesheet tracking for accurate billing and payroll. Slack member ID is useful if your company uses Slack. Enter their Slack ID here to enable integrations and notifications between ResourceBee and Slack. Skills is a text field where you can list this employee's key abilities. For example, you might type communication, React.js, project management. This helps when assigning tasks or searching for team members with specific expertise. Probation end date is important for new hires. Click the calendar field and select when their probation period ends. The system can use this to trigger reviews or automatically adjust their status. Notice period start date and notice period end date are used when an employee has resigned. Click the calendar for each and select the appropriate dates. This helps you track who's leaving and plan for replacements. Employment type dropdown lets you specify whether this is a full-time, part-time, contract, or intern position. Select the appropriate type from the list. Marital status is a simple dropdown. Select single, married, divorced, or other options. This information is useful for benefits administration and emergency contacts. Business address is different from their personal address. This dropdown lets you select which company location or branch this employee is based at. In this example, WorkSuite is selected. Now you're ready to save. You have two options at the bottom. The red Save button will add this employee and close the form. Use this when you're done adding people. The Save and Add More button saves this employee and immediately opens a fresh form so you can add another person right away. This is perfect when you're onboarding multiple employees at once. If you made a mistake or want to cancel, just click the Cancel button. Once you save, the employee appears in your main employee table with an active status. They'll receive an email invitation to set up their password and log in if you enabled system access. You can always come back later to edit any employee's information. Just click the three-dot menu in the Action column and select Edit. And that's everything you need to know about managing employees in ResourceBee. You can now add team members, track their information, and build your complete organizational structure. Your HR management just became significantly easier. Thank you. See you in the next module.